Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition leaked renders reveal design detail from all the angles. Also, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is coming with a new color option. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So the upcoming Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is expected to hit the market in various color options, some of which got revealed through leaked renders earlier this week. Now a new gallery of leaked images emerged on Twitter courtesy to EveLeaks, revealing the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition in a couple of more colors for virtually every angle. The render displayed the S21 Fan Edition in green, white, blue, violet and a grey color options. This shows the device front back panel as well as the four edges of the device. The phone appears to have a metal or metallic edges, a polycarbonate back panel and a flat infinity O display. So basically if you look at these images really closely, you will be noticing that on the top of the device we have the same tray options, and on the side of the right angle we have the volume up and down and power button, while on the left side it's going to be plain, and on the bottom we have the noise cancellation mic, a Type-C port and a stereo speaker. Unfortunately we didn't see the 3.5mm headphone jack inside the S21 Fan Edition, similar to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, which was also not coming with any kind of headphone jack. So all in all, this is going to be looking similar design just like the S21 and S21 Plus. So Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition within the next couple of months, and it is going to be spotted with a Snapdragon 888 processor with a 6 gigs of RAM under the hood, though the Exynos powered device might be coming alongside with that. In more recent news, the Korean media has indicated that the S21 Fan Edition will be releasing for a lower price than its predecessor and will be cheaper by around $100, which means that we may see the device around about in $600 or $650. So guys, all in all, I am pretty much excited about the S21 Fan Edition just because the fact it is coming with a lower price and a high specification inside. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below about that as well. Also in the leaks, we have the Galaxy Z Fold 3, which is going to be coming with a lower price tag, particularly 20% lower price tag than the previous year models. And as you already know, the $2,000 price tag is for the Galaxy Z when it was launched, and $1,380 price tag for the Galaxy Z Flip 3. Both the foldable devices are so expensive that most of the people cannot afford that particular devices, and that is the reason Samsung did not sell most of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 devices to masses. So in order to change that, this time around the Korean media is reporting that the new prices for the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be 20% cheaper, and if that percentage is true, then we can expect the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be around about $1,600 of a price tag, which means a $400 price tag has been cut out for that particular device. And the Galaxy Z Flip 3 is expected to be coming around a price tag of $1,000, which is going to be more affordable, and most of the people can buy that particular devices in such kind of price category. So all in all, the prices are going to be looking pretty great. Rumors also indicate that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 will be coming with the new cream color options. As we already know that the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is going to be coming with a black and a green color option, and later it has been seemingly coming with a silver color option. According to Ross Young, who has collaborated with these hues and also retained that the device will also come in beige color options, which is going to be a new color option that is coming inside. So all in all, 4 color options are going to be available for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. So guys, all in all, I am looking forward towards the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition, which is looking amazing. It has a great specification, good design, and all in all, it is coming with the latest technologies inside. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion about both of these devices? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Peace.